Next question is, please, can you go over the four pillars of the digestive system? Okay, so the very first thing we want to think about is the regulation of qi in the body as a function of the digestive system. So the regulation of qi is what we would also call from a Western medicine standpoint, like the actual peristalsis and the strength of the gut function and motility. And this is something that is based again on our circadian rhythm and the diurnal cycle. So this is step one is the chi of the digestive system. Is it moving in the proper direction? Okay. And then we have to think about, is the strength of that movement, the strength of that chi sufficient? This is the second part, which is about really the stability and the strength of the earth element and whether or not the digestive process, the enzymatic activity, and the actual force of how we're able to hold our earth element, as we say in Chinese medicine, how we're able to support the center. Is that something that is sufficient to digest and metabolize food, or are we having undigested food, even if it is directionally going down? And the third part we want to think about is the hydration. This is what we call the stomach fluids, the actual mediumship and the moisture in the gut is what's going to be protecting the mucosa and also generating the raw materials for the immune system to function. And this brings us to the next, which is the gut barrier, and understanding that the gut barrier is really the immune system of the gut that is hyper irritated by our Western lifestyles and all the contaminants that we have to take in. And this gut barrier is something that we have to then be soothing with the foods we eat to be creating a new mucosa, a new intestinal layer in the digestive system. Okay, so these are the four areas, and that last part about the gut barrier is also where we spoke about the microbiome and understanding how it is just also this innate intelligence that when the hydration of the digestive system and the mucosal integrity is improved, we actually have this ability to have a more intelligent understanding down to the cellular level about what is self and what is other, and what the body's going to take in as nutrition and what it's going to release as waste. And then it goes back full circle into how strong is the movement through and is it going in the right direction? So these all have to be taken into consideration, and making sure that also when it comes to our uh, effectiveness of the actual metabolism and the nutrient absorption in the body, we need to have enough warmth. We need to have enough what we call kidney yang. So these are the main summary of ideas that we spoke about.